Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Paint, and I'm back with a full color process on how I color characters done in Krita. So we're gonna pretty much jump right into it. It's just the holidays, the day before Thanksgiving. So, you know, I'm recording this video smelling the good food, but yeah, let's jump into it. And we like to start off filling in each shape on individual layers, which is the skin tones, the hair, the glasses, the coat, the shoes, the gloves, you know, each of those separated. So before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and make a palette, and we're gonna jump straight into it. So I'm gonna speed it up a little bit and let's go. Then after we fill in the base shapes, the flat colors, and we just got all the flat colors laid, I like to go into shadows, which is make a multiply layer, a multiply clipping layer. I can get nice, good shadows using the same flat colors from the palette without changing any colors, the saturation or brightness or none of that. Just go straight into shading, and we're gonna speed it up and we're gonna do the shadows, and we're gonna do the mid-tones, and we're gonna talk about the airbrush. And last but not least, I like to take the airbrush, which is this tool, and kind of go in and put some reds, some pinks into the flesh tones where the blood kind of flow in the face to kind of make it, you know, a little more depth. And I like to just paint that in and don't go too crazy, but soften like the nose, the cheeks, and that's pretty much it. And you see the gloss after you put the highlights on it, man, you got a nice, good, clean picture, you know. And that's my color process on how I like to do things step by step. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe and the like button. Upcoming artists trying to grow. Let's get it.